Most people think they're broke because they're doing something wrong or because they're not working hard enough. But that's not the truth. The truth is far more uncomfortable. And you're not broke because you're failing. You're broke because the system is quietly draining you. And you're the last one to figure it out. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it's happening, why you feel stuck even when you're trying to do everything right, and the simple shift that can completely change your financial trajectory. But first, let me show you the trap. Have you noticed this? Your rent goes up, your groceries goes up, your car insurance goes up, everything goes up except your income. So you sit there and think, am I doing something wrong? Why am I running in place? And here's the twist. You're not imagining it. The numbers prove that the economy is squeezing the middle class harder than ever. And what's even crazier, most people don't even know it's happening because they are too busy trying to survive it. So let me break this down. In the last few years, the cost of living in major cities jumped from 20 to 40%. Inflation didn't go away, it just slowed down. Prices didn't even come back down. The average salary barely moved. Housing exploded to the point where most young people can't even dream of buying. Debt levels hit record highs. So when you feel like you're drowning financially, it's because you're living in an economy that's quietly taking more from you than ever before. And here's the part that really hurts. Most people are trying to fix this with discipline, when the real problem is the economic environment they're stuck in. So everywhere you look, you hear, the economy is strong, the market is up, unemployment is low. Sounds great, right? But here's the problem. The stock market hitting all-time highs doesn't fix your rent. It doesn't make your salary match inflation. It doesn't lower food prices. It doesn't help you buy a home. You're living in what I call the fake strong economy, where the headlines looks incredible, but your bank account feels worse every month. Because the truth is simple. The economy is strong only for few people who already own assets, and brutally unforgiving for people who don't. So there's a psychological shift as well, and this is the part nobody talks about. When everything around you gets more expensive slowly, your mind doesn't notice the exact moment you fell behind. It's like a slow leak in a boat. You don't panic, you just work harder with a bucket, not realizing that the hole is the real problem. And that's what's happening with money right now. People blame themselves for being broke, but the system is designed to make you feel like it's your fault. Why? Because as long as you feel blame, you won't question the system. You'll question yourself. And that is the perfect trap. So let's talk about the real danger. Most people react emotionally. Prices go up, panic. Market dips, panic. Bitcoin pumps, FOMO, panic. Friends buy a house, comparison panic. When you combine economic pressure with emotional decision making, you get the perfect formula for staying broke. This is why people sell at the bottom, buy at the top, hold cash forever, chase shortcuts, wait for things to get better, or waste years stuck in the same cycle. Meanwhile, the people who actually build wealth play a completely different game. So what wealthy people understand? Wealthy people don't ask, why do I feel broke? They ask, what is the system incentivizing? And how do I get on the winning side of it? And here's what they understand. Inflation punishes cash and rewards assets. Volatility is opportunity, it's not danger. You can't save your way to wealth, you can only invest your way to wealth. Your financial emotions are the real enemy. not your income. And the system is rigged for investors, not workers. And this is the mindset shift you need right now, because once you see the trap, you can finally escape it. So how do I escape the broke system? And here's the real path forward. Simple, practical, and deadly effective. First, you stop relying on motivation. You build a system. Automating investing, money rules, non-negotiable saving percentages. No more, I'll start next month. 2. Start building assets, even if small. $50 a week beats $0 a week. $100 a month beats waiting for the right time. 3. Protect your mind from noise. TikTok, news, social media, panic narratives, these destroy your financial discipline. 4. Focus on long-term wealth, not quick wins. The people who win in the economy aren't the smartest, they are the most consistent. 5. Understand that there's a simple law. Working harder doesn't make you rich. Building systems does. So if you're feeling broke right now, don't let that feeling turn into shame. Let it turn into clarity. Because once you understand the trap, you stop playing the victim and you start playing the game. Most people will stay stuck. Most people will keep blaming themselves. Most people will keep repeating the same cycle over and over again. You're not here for quick wins. You're here to build a life your future self will thank you for. One decision at a time, one system at a time, one investment at a time. This is the moment your financial life actually changes. Not because the world gets easier, but because you got harder to break. And if you're ready to build real wealth with discipline, systems, and clarity, subscribe, hit that like button, because the journey is just getting started. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.